All right, drink we're about to make is called Black Stripe. And we're going to take a blazing hot cup of water here, and I can barely touch it. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of dark rum. Go ahead and dump it in there. There's 1. And there's 2. And now we're going to take some molasses. We'll add about a teaspoon of molasses. Look at that, pour in there. All right. And we'll follow that up with a teaspoon of honey. Straight from the hive. Okay. Now we're obviously going to want to mix that up. Whoops. Crazy little bear. Mix that up and get the honey and molasses dissolved in our ultra hot water here. There we go, yeah. That's working nice. Okay. This might be a good drink to enjoy if you're a little under the weather. And it's up to you on how much dark rum you want to add. But that's all there is to it. Black Stripe, bottoms up.